Hey guys, my name is Kieran and I'm the full stack developer for AI Nutritional Search with Infinite Loopers. Today I'm here to just give you guys like a basic idea of the app and why we chose to build it. And yeah, so let's get into that. So actually before we begin, let me explain like our reasoning behind making this. So a lot of people especially nowadays, they are very into like tracking their calories and like nutritional intake and stuff, but for a lot of people that's very hard just because there isn't like a very easy way to do it. You'll have to like track your proportions, look at the nutrition labels all the time, and like it's like a very cumbersome thing to like keep track of all the time. So we decided to basically automate it into like the most easy way possible. Like in like almost 2 seconds, you can just bang, you just have your meal, and you have like a full list of your nutritional intake. So that was our idea. So yeah, let's get into this. This is just the homepage right here, as you can see. Um, Sign in page where we can create an account. This is very boring stuff right here, so I'm just gonna speed through this. But yeah, we just have some like password and email verification as well, directed with Firebase. Let's say our name is, I don't know, doesn't matter. So if we create an account, you guys didn't see it because I'm screen recording, but I only put 5 characters for the password, so it won't let you create an account. Obviously, you need to put 6 minimum. So yeah, there we go. We have an account, and we can save our password for next time if we want. So this is the main page you guys will see, and we have 3 main components here to our app. This is 95% of our app basically. Um, we have the chat, the AI camera, and the scan barcode. So basically the chat is pretty self-explanatory. You just enter your meal, right, and you'll get nutritional intake for that. With the AI camera, you can take a picture of food and you'll get that. With the barcode scanner, you can scan a barcode of food and you'll get the nutrition intake for that. So this is just the main part of the app. And then we have the food log and our daily totals. So let's for me, I started like the foundation of the app, but I mainly worked on this barcode scanner right here. So I will be going through that right now. So we can get some granola bars right here, and if you guys look right here, 160 calories, 7 grams of fat, etc. So let's see how closely this gets that correct. We can just simply click Start Scanner, and then we can scan the barcode, and voila, you can see that's the exact one I had in my hand right here. So we have 2 buttons here. We have Add to Daily Tracker, which we can add to our tracker, or we can view details on the nutrition info. So let's do that. As you can see, we see all the information, the nutrition information about the granola bars, and it gives you the serving size, how much fat, saturated fat, cholesterol, etc. Right? It gives you all these things. So we can delete that, or we can go back and actually add that to our daily tracker, like so. Success. And if we go to our food log here, so this is just our log of foods that we've had for today. And since we only scanned one, we have this right now. We can increase it by how many ever servings we had. And the best part about this right here, this is my favorite part, is the nutrition intake. So we can see exactly how much we've had. And the best part about this is if you had like a bunch of different foods, it doesn't matter because fat is fat, right? Sodium is sodium. So whatever you have, it doesn't matter. It just combines it all into one label for you. That way it makes it very easy for you to track. So combining this with the like entering your meal, honestly, this is my favorite part, where you just literally put in a meal you ate, and it will actually split up the items you ate and then get each nutrition detail from each food and then put it in there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And we can try the barcode scanner again, like so. I have some Doritos here. And there we go, we can add it, and let's see. Yep, 1800 calories, and as you can see, it updated here too. And the point of this app is to give you flexibility and the basically just to make it really easy for you to track your intake and basically give you like a healthier lifestyle, right, without making it like a hassle. Because honestly, like if I had to like count this myself, right, like every single time I like eat this, oh, how many, oh, I ate 2 bars, I had to add up, okay, that's 14 grams of fat, that's like very annoying to do, right? So this all I would have to do here. Oh, I ate 2 bars. I ate 2 granola bars. Oh, okay, 320 calories. There we go. And let's say we can actually remove these, by the way. Wow. So if I just ate 2 bars today, let's say I woke up and that's my breakfast for some reason. Yep, that's all I've ate for today, and I know exactly like how much I'm getting. Yep. So this is our app, and I hope you guys liked it. I'm going to pass it on to Ying Dong Feng. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Ying Dongfeng, responsible for the backend development of this app. Now I'd like to take a closer look at the core feature of our app: food search and nutritional information display. In our app, user can search for food in 3 ways: chart, AI camera, and screen. Let me first introduce the chart part. User can type of search for food. For example, can type chicken breast, and look, the search results are immediately displayed. We use a third-party API to obtain this data to ensure that they are correct. A user can add or reduce the number of food as they wish. So this time I choose 2. And after selecting the food, user will see a detailed nutritional information page. And see there's how many calories we have. A user can also add the food to today's date record by checking the button plus. Another search function of ours is barcode scanning. User can scan the barcode on the food package to quickly get the nutritional information of the product. On the backend, we use Firebase Firestorm to save user information and diet record. When user adds food to their daily tracker, the data is updated in real time so that they can use the app smoothly on different devices. To ensure that the app runs well even under poor network conditions, we add features such as date checking, lazy loading, and so on. This way, users can track their data even without network. In short, our food search wants to help users easily understand their diet and make smarter and healthier choices. Next, Katie will introduce the daily tracker function and profile page.
Hi everyone, I'm Katie Liu. I work on the front-end design, create the web page, and also help test the app to make sure everything runs smoothly. Now, I'd like to show you one of the key features of our app, the daily tracker. These features helps users record and check what they eat every day. Here, users can easily see everything they have eaten today, organized by breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Each item shows the food name, the amount they eat, and how many calories it has. At the top, you will see a progress bar that shows how many calories the user has consumed so far and how close they are to their daily goal. Below that, users can see the breakdown of nutrients, including protein, fat, and carbs, helping them better understand their diet. Users can update the amount or delete it. This makes it easy to keep accurate and flexible food records. Like we can add the other pork, add the other beef, and delete one of chicken. Also, you can use the bottom to delete everything. User can also switch dates to check what they eat on previous days, which is great for spotting patterns and building better habits over time, like we change to other day. Now, let's look at the pre-fill page. Here, users can view their basic information like how many days they have logged their meals and how many goals they have. One important feature is setting a personalized daily calorie goal right here. Users can enter their height, weight, age, gender, and daily activity level. The app will calculate how many calories they should eat, use a healthy formula equation. Second, user can choose a recommended calorie target based. Let's see. My height is 176 and my weight is 60. My age is 24. Let me change the activity level. Let's change it for this one. And you can see the calorie is changed. Or users can choose a recommended calorie target based on gender healthy guidelines right here. Once the goal is set, it's become a benchmark shown in the progress bar. At the bottom of the profile page, users can clearly see today's calories intake compared to their daily goal, helping them sit on track in real time. There's also a setting button where users can manage their account or log out.
Greetings everyone, my name is Logan Munn, and today we'll be testing the AI camera functionality of the AI Nutritional Research app. Now, tonight I'm going to be making a meal with onions and bell peppers, so let's use the AI camera to scan them and retrieve their nutritional information. First, I'm going to take a picture of this beautiful yellow onion right here. Gonna go ahead and snap that, and then we're going to use this photo, and it should retrieve the nutritional information about the onion. There it is. We are presented with a nice nutrition label containing the calories, total fat, cholesterol, and other things you would find in any other nutrition label you'd find in a grocery store. So we're going to go ahead and add that to my tracker. There we go. Next, we're going to scan this bell pepper, which will also be going into my meal tonight. Looks great. Let's see if the AI model can retrieve its information. And just like the onion, we retrieved the nutritional facts about the bell pepper, and I can add it to my tracker as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to go to the profile page. Now, that name doesn't look right, so I want to change it. I'm going to go into my settings right here. We're going to click on the personal information tab. And then from there, we're going to change the name from Tester to my actual name, Logan. I'm going to update that profile since it's been successfully updated. We're going to go back to it, and there it is. Now, that profile picture is very hilarious, but I want to change it. So I'm going to go ahead and tap the profile icon and select a new picture. I think that this one looks great. I'm going to use the photo. I'm going to keep my current selection, and it should update my profile picture. There it is.
Alrighty, so that does it for our app. I really hope you guys enjoyed the presentation. Maybe you learned something new, or at least thought it was cool. Hopefully you want to use this for yourself in the future. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.